She buries the evidence in her back garden, thinking no
What are
one
you
will
doing, bud?
Dorothea's garden is becoming a barnyard.
I'm just gonna open it.
In all, 7
Walk
victims
away.
end up buried here. Though neighbors never notice. But one victim would be missed. Vagrant Bert
What you
Montoya
doing, buddy?
was reported
Aiden.
missing by a social worker.
Aiden. Hi.
Apparently, she'd been looking for him for the past 2 months. And not really getting anywhere.
What? What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. Where's the bouncing ball? Bounce on the ball. Bouncy ball. Where's the bouncing ball? Go bounce on the ball. Eat the ball. Go bounce on the ball. Where's the bouncy ball?
I would have never in a million years ever thought that I would be climbing into a hole.
Go bounce on the ball. Bouncy, bouncy.
What actually
Bouncy,
was a
bouncy.
bone.
Bounce on the ball.
This
Bouncy,
cannot be
bouncy.
done. This was
Hey, he's just gonna
simply
bounce on the
flawless.
ball.
Bert had only been
And he's
missing
all
for
done.
3 months.
They had found a different victim. And there would
Aiden,
be
say bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
We just
Aiden, say bye-bye. What do you got, remote? Say bye-bye.